rolling, rolling on a river. Hey guys, it is Sonia. It is Friday. I'm pretty positive today is Friday. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yesterday I thought it was Friday. Today is really Friday, and today is December the 7th. I think it's the 7th, isn't it? Is today the 7th? Thank you. All right, Kate says it's the 7th, so we're gonna go with that. We made it through the week. Hopefully you've got some painting and creating, some decorating, some fun stuff, maybe some Christmas shopping planned for your weekend ahead. Today I thought it would be fun to share with you guys probably the most 4 popular ways that I love to wear my head wrap. And those are the ones that are available online at jugmonkeypaint.com. I will tell you, I think this is my favorite one. I love the cheetah one. I'm just drawing the cheetah print. I don't know what it is, but I am. So anyway, I get a lot of people who ask me, Sonia, okay, how do you do your hair when we see you with these on? So if you've been one of those people that have been wondering, get ready, today is the day. All right, just like that, over the head. Now this is a look in itself. The head wraps that I wear and the ones that we have online are the infinity head wraps. They are the ones that are the complete circle and they are stretchy, right? Which is awesome. So it's really cool. Like you could honestly wear your head wrap, especially like in the months of Pennsylvania right now. You could wear your head wrap if you want, like inside something, if you want like a little neck wrap, you know, that sort of thing going. You got your jacket on and you kind of just want a little bit of something right here to kind of show up. That's always a fun thing too. Sometimes I do that if I get cold. I also use my head wrap, believe it or not, when I'm sanding sometimes. And if I'm somewhere where I'm sanding and I don't have my mask, I'll just use my head wrap as something like this, as a barrier just to have while I'm doing something, right? Like dust to keep it out of my mouth, out of my nose, all those things. So when I first start, I just go ahead and pull the wrap below my hair. And I'm gonna show you my most popular ways that you guys probably see me wear them, which is the most recent one that I've really been enjoying is what I call the side braid. So I always keep my wrap down first, pulling my hair to the side, and then we do the braid. I'm wondering, did I bring a ponytail ring? Anybody else out there just cannot find a ponytail ring when you need them? Okay, ponytail to the side. And now what we can do is just pull up our wrap so it's kind of like below our ponytail. Fix it all up. Woohoo! And I am ready to rock and roll and paint and do all that good stuff and get my day started. And it keeps the tops of my ears warm as well because I kind of put the mud over the tops of my ears and it just feels snug right there. And so with this cold weather coming up, I will tell you, this is tis the season, especially for head wraps. So the next one that you see me wear a lot is basically, I get my ponytail ring. I gotta have it on my hand right here. Again, the neck wrap is down at the bottom. And then what I'm gonna do is just pull all my hair up to the top, like this. Like just use my fingers to kind of get like a messy bun to the top. I just take my ponytail ring. I've got my fingers around my ponytail ring. I pull my ponytail ring over it, close as possible to the end of my ponytail. And then I twist it and it comes back again. And then basically I'm left with this big ball of goodness. Now I've found a purple ponytail ring today, which is probably good because you can really see where it is at all times. But when I wear my hair up like that, I like to go with like a dark brown or black one because that way it blends in with my hair. And then when I pull my wrap back up, I've got my big gorgeous messy bun at the top. And honestly, if you want to get kind of crazy and creative with it, sometimes if I really want it to stay where I want it to stay and I've got a nice bun going on up there, I'll actually get the clips, you know what I'm talking about, the little clips that you can put in there, what's it called, bobby pins, and just clip it down to like stay where I want to stay it, where I want it to stay, especially if I'm doing a lot of moving, right? Because sometimes your bun wants to go places. So anyway, this is also a fun look right here. I call this the messy bun head wrap look. Right. The next one is just the classic way to wear it, which is you pull your hair down, you pull your head wrap up, just like this. So some days I just wanna, you know, just want kind of like bigger hair. So pull your head wrap up above like your eyebrows right here. And then you could also like, you know, tease it a little bit right there if you want, or put some hairspray onto it. And then you have a beautiful, beautiful look right here. I'm all about it. You? All right, guys, this is my last favorite way to wear my head wrap. And it is number 4, and that is side ponytail. So basically I swing it all back, put my elastic band back here on the side. Never to hold back a side ponytail, just like that. But I just get it in place first, and then again we pull the head wrap up, pull that beautiful curtain up. Oh, look at that, love it. I love it too because you can like bunch it and stuff and just like get it where you want it, but it's stretchy, but it also doesn't cut off the circulation to the brain. All right, so we put that on, we get our side ponytail, and now I can kind of like adjust it. I just pull my hair a little bit, so if I wanted to put it higher, want to put it down lower, and now I have my side ponytail. I can also like pull it out a little bit for my side ponytail if I really want to have a little bit more volume up here, and now I've got an adorable side ponytail that looks voluptuous and awesome. And I think I'm gonna leave, this is gonna be my look for the day right here. But these right now are on my website. I had a big sale over Black Friday, so we sold a ton of them. There's still some left. Go check it out. They're $8.99, but I will tell you, as a painter, whether just around your house, sometimes you just want to get up and maybe like you just haven't washed your hair that day. Just putting like your head wrap on, and these can be washed, which is really nice. But just put your head wrap on, put a side ponytail on. Guys, you know, you don't even have to comb your hair. Nobody's judging. It's all gonna look good. Okay guys, so it's time for lunch. So I'm gonna get ready to swing in to make myself some lunch so you guys get to be front seat with me as well. So I'm thinking this is gonna be like a midday snack. Right now I'm eating it before I get ready to do some coaching into my creative coaching club, which I coach creatives all over the country. If you wanna be in there, all you have to do is just go to junkmonkeypaint.com and click Coach and Create. You'll get all the information. But I want to eat something before I do that, so I got brain power, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm gonna start off with some Hillshire Farm Little Polskas, Polish sausage made with pork and chicken. So I'm gonna start off with these little smokies. They have 2 carbs in 5 links, good protein, and so yeah, we're gonna roll with this. This is gonna be really, really yummy today. First, that's gonna warm up. I'm gonna let our butter, that makes everything better, do its thing. Guys, I'm still munching on pecans that we made this week here in the vlog. They're fully cooked, so really all I'm doing is heating them up and then serving them, right? So just take it as many as you want. Ooh, guys, look how yummy they are. And a little bit of butter as well. You can brown them as much as you want, but the little bit of butter as well it's all good when you're on this amazing lifestyle and you're feeding yourself fat, and basically your body is really learning to live off of fat versus sugar. So I am loving this so far. Let's go ahead and add some sides as well. Okay guys, so for my sides today, I'm gonna put some cheese with it. I am right now very much into pepper jack cheese, and they are the cubes that I just go and I don't even have to cut them. So if you have a busy life, you know, like me, you can always just get the pre-cubed. But this has less than 1 carb in 7 cubes, and it also has 0 added sugars. So I like a little bit of the spicy kick. I didn't grow up eating a lot of spice, but I have come, maybe it's because I'm married to Matt and I have my son Riley, surrounded by young men who just love their spice. I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese on my plate as well. Look how yummy that looks right there. Oh yeah. A little bit of warm, a little bit of cheese, so when you bite into it, it all goes down together. So definitely the pepper jack cheese is really awesome if you can try it. But you can do cheddar or whatever you want, whatever floats your boat. Okay, next up, I'm gonna grab for my pickles. I love my Sweet Gherkins pickles, okay? These little tiny pickles that just make me happy. So they have less than 1 carb in about 3 pickles, and they also have 0 sugars. So again, a win-win. By the way, with pickles, have you ever heard of people like drinking pickle juice after they work out and things like this? It can be a great replenisher of electrolytes. And so while I'm not a pickle juice drinker, anybody out there that actually does that, I do love me my pickles. And so this is gonna be my lunch today. Again, we've got the lovely pickles. We've got our little sausages, which are so yummy, and then we've got our cheese. The only thing that could make this plate better is if I added some little tomatoes, sweet ones. What do they call those little ones? You know, the little tiny like tomatoes. They're so awesome. I would make the space for them right there, and that would be where the tomatoes would go. This is also one of the snacks that I love to have. Sometimes when I come home at night and I don't get a chance to really make supper, This is good if I'm watching, like, I don't know, I'm doing my Netflix, my YouTube thing. But for those of you who are doing something like this for the holidays, you could do a big old platter of this sort of stuff. Your guests will love it. And the other thing is, you could also do the toothpick thing, you know, where you take a little bit of a pickle, a little bit of the sausage and the cheese, and just make yourself like a whole toothpick appetizer. And that's a good thing as well. So good. I am getting ready to go live into my coaching group right now, and so I'm going to show them today how to play with glazes and blending, and so that is what I have planned right now. So in a second, what will feel like a second to you guys, I will have completed this, and you'll get to see the after reveal and the fun that you can have. Here is the finished piece. We used the glazes, played with them, and had fun with thinking about ideas and bringing things together. Love this old aged effect that our glazes gave us. Love it. Yes, it is that time when I love to give away something here on our 25 days of Vlogmas, where I am vlogging my life 25 days straight all the way up to Christmas. And tis the season, since it is the month of sharing, I'm giving away gifts to you guys from my studio around the shop every day. So you want to make sure you want to tune in every single day, because if your name is announced and you're announced as a winner, you have 24 hours to respond to me by email, okay? So make sure you pay attention to that. So yesterday I put it for grabs this awesome leather bracelet. Oh, I love it. Love me some cuffs and some layering pieces. And I have got a winner. I've got a winner. I love it, guys. I even printed off your comments. So yes, I read through all your comments. And this person commented 15 hours ago. Her name is Kitty Frampton. Kitty, girl, you're the winner today. Oh my gosh, she writes, Sonia, you're absolutely a darling. I never seem to be able to sit down and enjoy your videos on Facebook, YouTube, when you're vlogging, etc. until evening time. That's okay. Just get here when you can. We love the fact that you're just here. By then, it's time to settle down for the night, and watching you gives me energy and a happy spirit. She says, I love you, gal. Thank you, Kitty, and I love you back. Okay, Kitty, so you know the deal. You have 24 hours to contact me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com. Put winner, winner in the subject line. Make sure you send me your address so I can get it out to you. So 24 hours starts now as of the timestamp of this video. So for today's giveaway, I am going to send to one of you guys one of my other favorite head wrap designs, which is our Shabby Roses. Genuine Jug Monkey swag here, and it's the same style as this one, the complete wraparound. You can do all the fun stuff with it, but it's pink and pretty and shabby, and you know, I love me some shabby florals, some shabby posies. So you guys know what you have to do. Please subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below with something that you've enjoyed about today's vlog, something that you learned today. Just give me a thought. It could be any comment at all. Just send me some love of some sort and let me know you're out there behind this video. Alright guys, so I am going to wrap up today's video, and I'll be back again tomorrow with something fun. We'll cook up something. You know me, I'm always DIYing around these parts and in the kitchen, so that's what this channel is devoted to, and I am so glad that you are here. Make sure you hit the little bell icon that's right here on your screen somewhere. When you do that, what happens is it will send you alerts every single time that I upload, so you won't miss another fantastic video. Alright, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!